Hello, my PD friend. In this lesson, I'm going to answer a simple question, which is, should I 100% mimic the recording in repeat sentence? Some people may think we should mimic the intonation and rhythm of the recording to be 100% like the recording. But actually, you should not do that, especially when the recording has stops or pauses. If you try to 100% like the recording and to have the same pause and stop, you will lose marks. So when the recording has stop and pause, you should not mimic it. Or when the recording speaks too slow, you should not 100% mimic the rhythm and the speed of the recording. Always remember, you should speak fast and clear. Never stop, never pause, and never correct your mistakes. So again, do not mimic the recording. Just be confident. Speak fast and clear. But if the recording speak fast and clear and no stop, you can just mimic it. Alright, thanks for your watching. See you in the next video. Bye.